So we're back on this DIY planetarium. We have a couple of assemblies we put together. Right, buddy?
Yeah. Right.
And we've got some other pieces we still got. So next piece is place each constellation board face down. Slide the center corner of each arm under the arm. Oh wait, I did this. I did this. I did all of this, so we are here. And now we have this. Number 19. Attach foam circles to the platform, which is this thing, I believe. So, here we go. See these, buddy?
Yep.
Right here, these two little circles are the foam pieces. And so we got to stick those on right here. These things, yes, here and here.
Right. Perfect.
Okay, good.
The other one.
Is that good?
I think it is.
Okay, and next direction is fold one of the arms down fold one of the arms down, then slide it through the wooden dowel until the platform center aligns. Okay. So, gotta fold these, fold those up.
Fold these.
Oh, that's gonna work. And then basically we need to slide it on until that is level with the LED through there. Okay, and it is on. Okay, so next direction is attach a spacer to each platform hole using a screw. I think that's what's in here. If you want to open that up and get those out. Yeah, just put them back on the cat. Okay. Empty them out. Good. Let's get some light here too. Don't. Go grab those ones that fell. Okay, good. They screw, they don't press. They're the little screws on the bottom. Right? Good. Got it? Very good. Let's do the rest. Okay, so that's the last one of those. Directions number 23. Step number 23, place the constellation stone on top of the platform. Okay. And place the tabs over each set of spacers, then finish by securing the constellation stone to the platform with screws. That one too, the middle one opens out, and then I guess they all go on to here, like that, and get another screw on top. Yeah.
Okay, that is all 3 locks. I think this actually still spins. Alright, I guess we're all done, so we should turn it on, right?
Yep.
Here, flip the directions over. Flip the instructions over.
Lucy, what are you doing?
Instructions.
Okay, we'll just shut the curtains. Turn this on, see what it looks like. It's not total dark, but should be some kind of light, right? We'll turn the switch on.
Let's do it. 3, 2, 1.
Is it working? Got it?
You got it.
Come on. Having trouble?
Yeah.
It's not working? There we go.
Whoa,
Okay.
that looks cool.
I gotta put it in the dark to see what the. You can kind of see the stars against
Ooh,
the.
that's
Yeah, but
sick.
we need to put it in the real dark. So we don't really have a dark space other than in the bathroom, but
Yeah.
it's working.
Yeah. It's working.
So I don't know. That's this. This is a STEM DIY planetarium. It's actually pretty cool. You can see all the little stars. Spin it. Turn it around. Pretty neat. What do you give it, buddy?
I give it a 9.
A 9, huh? That's not bad.
Actually, maybe a 10.
Maybe a 10? That's not bad. It's pretty cool for cardboard.
Yeah.
Very cool, actually. Alright, so there it is. Thanks, guys, for watching. If you made it this far, you made it pretty far. So
Like
go
and
ahead and
subscribe.
subscribe.
And also hit the bell.
Yep. All that good stuff.
Maybe do a comment how good it is and bye.
Awesome. Thank you for watching.